All right. Good evening, traders. We had a wonderful week. The whole of the 2nd to the 6th of September. Uh, Prices moved as we predicted. Right now, we're looking at the new week of September 9th to September the 14th. Now, a quick look at the GBP pairs. We're looking at GBP USD right now. Like we predicted last week, if you check my previous video, you find out that we said we're expecting a drop from this point, and that was what price did. It fell down to our anticipated price at 2053, broke through it but closed above it. And of course, that's one pattern that tells us there's a huge rejection of that area, that region, at 2022. Price broke through it and closed above it. And we saw a serious excuse me, a serious rally upward that's closed beyond the most recent high at 2278. Excuse me. So now what do we expect for this week? We already have a bearish harami just at the close. So what I expect is a sell down to 20537. Prices could stall at 2110, but basically I expect price to get to 20537 before we go higher. We'll go higher, but we will sell first to either 2110 area. Below that, I don't expect price to go below 2053. Then we'll look to go higher, and our next port of call will be around 2390. If we break through that region, we're looking at 2530. But I expect price to go down to this point first before going up. Let's look at the weekly. We normally do a top-down analysis. Let's see what the week closed at. Yeah, the week closed as a very bullish pin bar. So we still expect high movements higher. Yeah, that can take us for the week. We could go up as far as 2530 area from the week. Coming on to the daily, after this close below this point, expect a deep close anyway. So how do we attack this? We can place a sell stop below Friday's low. The last candle on Friday, last Friday, and we'll be selling and going deep. Yeah, I think from what I can see here on the 4 hours, we could expect a move from the 2110 area. Yeah, 2110 area. If it doesn't, what we expect is we expect a reversal candle around here or around here, 2053. Already we have a reversal here. That's why we are going short. We take a 10 pip sell stop below this low. Excuse me, at 1.2278 or 75, and at least we can go down up to 100 pips from that point before going up higher. We have areas that we could stop, but from the from what I see market do, we could really go in bearish to the 2110 area. We have an area that has that many touches: 1, 2, 3, 4. A very strong key level around there. There's one here too. Anywhere within this zone, we'll be looking to go bullish again. But our rule is we're looking for reversal candles around this point before we place our buy stop. We'll place a buy stop above that reversal candle upwards. If price doesn't give us that, we'll just sell. We'll just sell. We'll just sell. Anywhere between the 2110 area and 20537 area. Look for it around there. Our next port of call, the JPY. Quickly, let's look at it on weekly level. We still have a very strong bullish engulfing candle that engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4 candles on a weekly, which means we are most likely to go higher. But I think from what I see on the weekly, we have a double bottom formed here. I expect a small pullback before we go higher. Let's just go in detail, see what it looks like. Yeah, we're looking at about the same thing here. But for this one, I expect our retracement to hit 130.77. 130.77. If we go lower, let's use fibs to get something we can work with. If we go lower, we could if we go lower, we'll get to 130.073 or 130.10 area. So basically, I think we can this is sell stop below this 10 pips sell stop and chase it for 50 pips. Look for reversals around 130.7570 area. It could still go as low as hitting the 130.10 area before we go higher. And our next port of call when going upwards will be 133.62 area or 134.40 area. After this pullback, look for reversal candles quickly around here. Basically, we could even look for reversal candles on the 4-hour around this area. Around here. That's the 130.70 area to go higher. That will be our next port of call at 130.10. We give room for spread. So we can place our sell stop, like I said, below the low. 10 pips sell stop will be around 130.20. No, 131, sorry, 0.20, and we'll drive it down to 130.10 or 130.20. Because the trend essentially has changed to look more bullish. It has broken our most recent high. Our lower high has been broken and closed above. So there's a change in trend. So we expect more upward move from this point. from this point that can take us to 134.40. Yeah, there's a possibility of getting to 134.40 for this week. The next will be GBP card. Quickly look at it. Now we have a doji formed on weekly. We most likely would retest the low of this week. From what I see here, we might test the low of this week before thinking of anything higher. There'll be a retest of it. Let's see. Let's go in detail and see what's going to happen. All right, we have a bearish engulfing forming something like a double top here. So basically, there may be a small pullback upwards and continuation downwards. We have a continuation downwards. Yeah, a continuation downward. Let's look at it. 4 hours. Yeah. So basically, we can place a sell stop below this, and our aim will be for the most recently tested low at 6026. We could even go lower than it. We could even go lower than it, or put a sell stop below this 20 pips below this and aim for 2030, giving room for spread. Giving room for spread. That's for GBP card. GBP CHF. What do we have there? Quickly look at it weekly. Weekly has closed bullish. So what I expect, and it has closed above the 8 EMA. So what we expect will be a small retracement and continuation upwards. Basically, that's what we expect. Let's zoom in. Zooming in, we expect a retracement. Yeah, a retracement to 2070 area. Therefore, we'll continue upward because we've broken and closed below the most recent lower high. So we expect the retracement back to this area and look for reversal candles to go higher. And our next port of call should be 2280 from here. Yes, yeah, we can place our sell stop below the low of the Friday's candle, 10 pips below it, and go low. If we use fibs quickly to get something precise, yeah, at the 1.2020, about that point, we will see around either 202048. Yeah, and we can go up from there. So within between this region, look for reversal candles or something like a double bottom formation around here. I'll continue higher. So GBP New Zealand dollar, what do we do here? We have a bearish engulfing after an upward move. So what we expect here is a small retracement upwards and continuation downwards. We expect a continuation downwards. Let's zoom in to get to know where to attack from. Yeah, we also, yeah, it has shown us, yeah, this is a bearish engulfing. Let's see, get something clear, some clear cut entry. So we can place our sell stop below 10 pips below Friday's low and aim for 8750. We'll aim for 8750 area. Yeah, 8750. Our close was 91.07. So place a sell stop below there and we'll be aiming for 8750 area. Prices could stall at the 1.88 area, but my next port of call here my from what price action is telling us here will be 87500 area. So I'll stop from here and aim down there. The last of the GBP pairs will be GBP AUD. Looking very closely to the chart we have found in GBP New Zealand dollar. So basically, let's zoom in to also see. Let's first look at the weekly, what it looks like. Yeah, I expected the test of the week here. There's left test of the week here. There's a rejection here, but it's still close bearish. I expect a retest of it, and we'll know what will happen. Let's just look at let's look at it from going into the details of it. The daily is not too clear. Although yes, we have a bearish engulfing there. Okay, at the 4 hours, what we expect to happen is the places a 10 pip shelf stop below Friday's candle, and for a start, we'll first of all look to get to 7825 or 7810. It could even go lower to 7750 area on the GBP AUD. 7750 area. Excuse me. Place a sell stop below the close. The close is at 7934. So we chased about 200 pips going bearish. Now with that for GBP AUD, let's go to gold quickly. Gold has toned down. Last week I was looking at a flag pattern here. Well, of course it hit the top of it, closed below above it, but quickly went lower. So let's just take them quickly to remove the fibs. First of all, remove the fibs here. Alright, we still have more fibs. Yeah, let me just remove it. What we have here, price has gone up, retraced by the bearish engulfing, and a retest of the low of that flag pattern. Now, but from the bodies of the candle I have here, momentum has stalled a bit towards the downside on the daily. Let's look at it on the weekly. What is the weekly saying? The weekly, what's the weekly saying? Alright, so even on the weekly, we saw an inverted hammer, yeah, like we saw last week, showing us that there'll be some bit of bearish opportunities, and although the opportunity came a bit late, from the weekly what we have here, there's a kind of resumption of momentum downwards. Price has rejected this top area twice for 2 weeks in a row. So what we expect is to continue downwards based on price action. And where could we head to? We could head to the 1486 area. 1486 area. Let's zoom in and see what to make of this. From what we have here, we can have a slight retracement upwards first. We can have a slight retracement upwards before continuing downwards. Before continuing really low. Let's still get a clearer view going into the smaller. So basically what I have here, we form the double bottom here. So we expect, let's see what will 1 hour give us. Okay, 1 hour is also giving us something like a rail track pattern, which is also a reversal pattern. Have a double bottom, rail track. So we might go upwards to, let's use fibs to get a clear picture. Is my fibs good? Now, from what we have here, we might see price come up to the 1522 area, above it a little bit to the 1525 area. If price really breaks out of here, we'll be going as far as 1538 area. But for now, I think what we'll do, traders will just place a 10 pips buy stop above this and aim for 1522 area. That's quite some it's over 100 pips. 1522 area. Between the 1522 area and 1525 maximum. Except we see candles that have large bodies telling us we're still going to go higher. After this point, if we still see reversal candles around here, we could still aim to go lower. But basically, I expect price to, we could still go high. We could still go as high as 1530 area. Yeah, like I said, yeah, we could still go as high as that before I still expect a downward move anyway. I still expect a downward move. But for now, we'll go with the buy and wait for updates as the week progresses. Okay, that for gold. Let's look at USD card. Uh, weekly, what do we have? Wow, very strong bearish candle. Bearish engulfing has broken our trend line here. Yeah, so let's zoom in and see what we can take out of this. All right, what I expect now will be a retracement to this area and we'll continue lower. Let's look at it on the 4-hour area. Yeah, the 4 hours is telling us there's room for a retest of this week. So basically is to look for price reversing to this to 1.3197 area and continue lower. So let's wait for that reversal first before we continue lower for USD card. Continuing lower, we'll be looking at price hitting 1.3125, which is the next key level. A break and close below this will see us going down as far as 1.3025 area. That's for USD card. Let's look at one more. For the Australian dollar, Australian dollar US dollar pair, we've seen there was a double bottom here and we're looking forward to breaking above it, which we have done. And at this position, we just expect a small retracement and continuation upwards to hit 0.6918 or 6920. Let's quickly look at, okay, zooming in a little bit. We expect a retracement. Let's get something concrete to work with. All right, so somewhere around 0.6775. That's where we'll be looking forward to that retracement. 6775 or 6760. So we can look for any reversal candle good. We can place our sell stop below Friday's the last candle on Friday and go bearish, go really bearish. I see price coming down as far as the 6775 area. Within 6775 area and 6760 area, look for our reversals around here so we can enter here, go short, take our profits around here before going long. Well, that will be that for this week. You can access my channel, subscribe to it, click a like button if this has helped you so I can make more of these videos. So for now, we'll say happy trading and enjoy. Have a wonderful week.